Hi there. In this video, I'm going to go over venues and venue contacts in aXcelerate. A venue contact is used in aXcelerate to quickly populate your workshops with predefined venue addresses. A venue contact can be created in the same process you would follow with the normal creation of a contact, with just a few extra steps to keep in mind. Let's create a venue contact now. At the top of my page, I'm going to hover over Contacts and select Add New Contact. For the purposes of this example, I've provided some example information such as name, organization, and email address. Now, it's important to note that it's the contact's street address that will be pulled through to populate your workshop fields. For this example, I've entered in some information for my primary street address. Lastly, at the bottom of my page, I'm going to ensure that I assign this contact with the contact category of venue. I can add subsequent categories if I like, if it's applicable, but I want to ensure that this contact at least has the venue contact category assigned to them. I'm going to make sure that this contact is set to active and then submit them in my system. Inside my workshop setup page, I'm now going to assign this contact as my venue contact at the bottom of my page. After I've assigned my venue contact, I'm going to click Submit. After hitting Submit, you can see that my workshop has pulled across all the address details that was assigned to my venue contact without me needing to enter this in. This way, if I have a reoccurring venue address, I can quickly populate its information just by assigning one venue contact. That about sums it up for this video. Keep an eye out for the next video in the series, which takes a quick look at the use of rooms and equipment. As always, thanks for watching.